Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain how to connect Lenovo laptop to TV without HDMI cable and effortless setup in just a few steps. Number 1. Wireless connection via Miracast. Check compatibility. Ensure both your laptop and TV support Miracast. Connect. On your laptop, press Windows plus P and select Connect to Wireless Display. Choose your TV from the list to establish the connection. Number 2. Using a VGA cable. Connect. Plug one end of the VGA cable into your laptop and the other into TV VGA port. Use the TV remote to select the corresponding VGA input. Note: VGA transmit video only. Use a separate audio connection if needed. Number 3. USB-C to HDMI adapter. Connect. Use a USB-C to HDMI adapter to link your laptop to the TV. Select the appropriate HDMI input on your TV. Thanks for watching.